Muhammad and Mrs. Rati. My name is Reinha Rosari. I'm from 12th grade Science 5. I will explain about my exercise that I do in my home. There is a push-up, a shuttle run, and airplane's attitude. Push-up are one of the simple exercises that can be done at home without the need for expensive fitness equipment. Here are the various benefits of push-up that you can get if you do this exercise regularly. 1. Maintain healthy muscles and bones. 2. Prevent and treat sarcopenia. 3. Your upper body muscles. 4. Tighten the lift. Airplane attitude serves to train body balance and concentration power. The movement of airplane attitude is done by positioning the body like an airplane, where the body rests on one wheel leg which is strongest. In order for the stance of the flying ball to be perfect, one must have leg strength and good body balance. The definition of a shuttle run is an agility exercise that relies on fast and precise movement in changing direction through running back and forth. The benefits of a shuttle run training for the body are the ability to increase short-term speed or acceleration, agility, and maintain body fitness. Thank you very much for watching and stay healthy. Bye!
Hi, my name is Nabila Nasha Zahra. Today I will be doing and explaining about side plank, H2, and flying airplane exercise. The side plank is a great exercise to strengthen your abdominal muscles. The side plank requires you to be able to hold your body in the straight position, but only support one arm and one side of your leg. This is how to do side plank. The benefit of side plank is to improve posture, increase body flexibility, stabilize the body balance, and tighten the stomach. The movement of flying airplane is done by positioning the body like an airplane, where the body rests on the stronger leg. In order for the flying airplane stance to be perfect, one must have great leg strength and good body balance. This is how to do flying airplane exercise. Benefit of flying airplane exercise is strengthens upper body muscles, get a lot of vitamin D, and reduces our stress. Reach 2 is a popular sport movement that is usually included in dynamic sport. In addition, sometimes it's also included in the conditioning menu or movement that challenge the body abilities. This is how to do Reach 2. The benefit of Reach 2 is to improve posture, increase body flexibility, stabilize the body balance, and tighten the stomach.
Good morning, Mr. Lamhot, Mem Rati, and Mr. Ahmadi. My name is Aurelia Gunawan from 12 IPA 5, number 4. Today, I want to explain about fast jogging, jumping jack, and diamond step. Jogging is a form of running at a slow or relaxed pace. The main goal is to improve physical fitness with less stress on the body than running faster but more than walking, or to maintain a steady pace for a longer period of time. Jogging helps the body become toned and strong. Jogging works to large muscle and develop them. The second one, I want to explain about jumping jack. Jumping jack is a body exercise that consists of a combination of aerobic movement and muscle endurance of the thigh, buttocks, and hips, and shoulder. This sport can be done anywhere because it only relies on a simple combination movement. And the last one, I want to explain about diamond step. Diamond step is a movement to train agility that can be useful for straining the legs. Thank you for watching.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dewi Pangestuti Wijaya from class 12 IPA 5 absen 9, and today I'm going to do plank, air squat, and shuttle run. First is the plank. Plank is a sport movement that requires a person to place both sides of his hand, including elbows, on the floor, then place the rest of the body as if to do the push-up. The benefits of the plank are to improve posture, tighten the stomach, strengthen the core muscle of the body, and increase body flexibility. The steps to the planks are: lift the body using abdominal muscles, pull the navel towards the spine, keep the body in the position from the ear to the toes in a straight line, make sure the shoulders are down, not against the ears, keep the heel on the sole of the foot, hold this position for some seconds, then lie down on the floor. Second is air squat. Air squats are only done using your own body weight, while regular squats may use additional weights instead. You should feel the squat in your thighs and in your glutes. Air squat is help to build both solid strength foundation and balance in your lower body. They target your thighs, hamstring, quadriceps, and glutes in particular, helping you to add muscle mass in these areas. Because balance is necessary, air squats can also engage your core. To do an air squat, keep your feet at a shoulder width apart and pointed straight ahead. When squatting, your hips will move down and back. Your lumbar curve should be maintained and your heels should stay flat on the floor the entire time. In air squat, your hips will descend lower than your knees. You shouldn't drop your shoulder forward. Your lower body should be the only part of you moving. And last is shuttle run. Shuttle run is an agility exercise that relies on fast and precise movements in changing direction through alternating running movements. The benefit of shuttle run is that it aims to measure agility, namely the ability to change direction quickly while carrying out movements, to train endurance, train agility, leg muscle strength, and train the heart. Steps are: running back and forth is done as quickly as possible, as much as 6 until 8 times, distance 4 until 5 meters. Every time it reaches a point as a limit, the runner must immediately try to change direction to run toward his running point. It should be noted that the distance between the 2 points shouldn't be too far and the number of the repetition shouldn't be too large so as to cause fatigue for the runner. In this exercise, attention is paid to the ability to change direction quickly when moving.
Skipping is an activity using a rope that is held with both hands and then swung from the head to toe while jumping over it. This sport aims to train eye and foot coordination. Up and down stair is a movement aims to strengthen the thigh and calf muscle. Sprint is a running movement with the maximum speed with the aim of training running speed.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arifin Nurwahid. I am from Dubes IPA 5 and my roll number is 15. In this video, I will be showing 3 elements of physical fitness, training or exercise. The first one I'm about to do is sit up, squat jump, and single leg deadlift. The first move is squat jump. The benefits of squat jump to the strengthened leg and hamstring muscle. Second move is a sit-up. The benefits of sit-up to tighten and increase muscle mass and especially the abdominal and hip muscle. Mas. First move is single leg deadlift. Benefits of single leg deadlift to burn calories and improve posture.